Hey everyone, so today's video is going to be on this easy eyeshadow look with dark lips. You could actually wear it with any lip color, but I thought I'd try it with a dark lip color for once. So if you want to see how I got this look, then just keep watching. I'm going to start off with my Benefit Hoola bronzer, and I'm going to apply that to the hollows of my eyes as my transition color. Now because this is a matte finish, I'm going to try my best to blend it out as much as I can so that I don't have any harsh lines. Next, I'm going to take my Urban Decay Naked 2 palette, and I'm going to take the color Suspect and I'm going to apply it to the inner half of my eyelids. Then I'm going to take the color Snakebite and I'm going to apply it to the outer corners of my eyes. I'm using my fingers so that I can feel where I want my eyeshadow to go. And I'm also going to try my very best to blend it as much as I can with the color Suspect that I used earlier. Using a flat brush, I'm going to take the same color Snakebite and I'm going to apply it to my lower lash line starting from the outer corner. That way I could connect the upper and lower outer corners together. Then I'm going to take the color Blackout with my blending brush and I'm going to dab the smallest amount to the outer corners of my eyes. I'm going to try my very best to not bring it in too much because then it's going to make my eyeshadow look muddy rather than blended. So I'm going to use a very light hand when I'm doing this. Next, I'm going to apply some falsies. These are the style Lashtastic from Evermore Lashes. You're going to see in a second why I love wearing lashes so much. It makes such a big difference in the way my eyes look personally. And I just feel like it completes the look and pulls it all together. And I thought my makeup look was done until I realized that I didn't do my eyebrows. I don't know why I've been doing this lately, but I've been forgetting to do my eyebrows. I've been like jumping ahead of myself. So anyways, here my eyebrows are done. And I'm going to, oh my god, I'm going to line my waterline using just any black pencil liner. Jesus, I need to make a new face while I'm doing this. So, oh my god, I can't. Anyways, I'm just going to line my lower lash line, working from the outer corner, working my way in, and I'm going to do the same thing with the other eye as well. Then I'm going to take the flat brush I used earlier for my lower lash line and I'm going to blend it all out. Moving on to my lips, I'm using the MAMACITA lip liner by ILUVSARAHI and ColourPop, and I ended up smudging and getting some on my face. So dramatic, but at the time it was a big deal and it actually took me forever to fix. So you're going to see me jump ahead to applying the liquid lipstick instead. This is MAMACITA by ILUVSARAHI and ColourPop, and I'm being super careful this time so I don't make any mistakes like I did before, because honestly it took me forever to fix earlier and I don't want to make that same mistake again. And that's it. This is the final look. This eyeshadow actually works really well with any lip color, but I just chose to pair it with a dark lip because I never get to wear dark lipstick. And I didn't get to film an intro earlier because as soon as I finished posing, baby woke up. Yep, there she is. And her eyebrows are pink because she was crying after she woke up from her nap and not because I drew them in. And yep, she went poo. And I had to go change her diaper after I filmed this. But anyways, if you guys like this video, then please hit the like button. And if you guys want to see more, then hit the subscribe button. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!